Okay. I didn't feel like this was too bad.
I didn't think it was.
I had a heck of a time with some of the questions. I think I finally got them, but I'm not sure I understood what I did.
I think there's one of the questions that I just didn't understand at all.
Me too, but I can't find the question now because I was going to ask you guys how to figure it out, and I can't find it.
I feel like I should take more notes because when we get to this meeting, I have all my answers, but I'm like, I don't remember how I got to that answer. And I know that it's right because I like compared it with the answer key, and so I know that I got it right. I just don't remember how I got to that.
I agree with you totally.
I took some notes, but I didn't take notes for every single one. Okay, so for part 2, it says it's question 4. Samples of size n equals 4 are taken from the normally distributed 2011 sales data. What is the shape of the distribution of, I don't know how to say that. Yeah.
Normal.
It would be normal because it says up here in the in the information that they are normally distributed, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's why.
Yep.
Okay. And the second one, I also got normal.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Number 6.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Let's see.
Did you guys go through the did you set up your Excel to do like he was doing in the thing? It is the coolest thing ever.
Well,
Yeah.
I can, but I don't learn the math doing it that way.
Exactly.
I don't bother with it. I mean, I have
Okay.
it set up, but I don't use it.
Good for you.
I'm resisting the temptation.
Don't worry.
And to me, having 3 windows up all at once and trying to do that instead of just having a pencil and a piece of paper or a
Right.
tablet,
Exactly.
you know, it's just so much easier for me.
Yeah, I do it both ways. I did it the longhand, and then I saw how he was doing it, and I thought, that is so cool.
Well, he's so quick with it too. You're like, what? Wait.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not
I'm
quite
just
that
afraid
quick.
I would have the wrong formula, and then for each answer, it would be the wrong answer.
Yeah, I don't trust it either. I'm like, I'm gonna do it longhand first, and then we'll figure it out.
True story.
Okay, guess we're on number 6.
Okay.
I keep losing my mouse. Where did he go? There.
I got 0.1587. Sorry.
I was gonna say that's a big congratulations for you there.
Yeah, that's what I got as well.
Sounds good.
Trying to remember how I did it though.
I don't actually remember how I did it either. I
Oh.
didn't take notes for that one.
They're somewhere in my stack.
Because sometimes I just figure it out and then I'm like, oh, I got it right.
Let's just say the applet was our friend this week.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. Especially on those ones that use those rules. That yeah, I just don't even know how to figure them out if it's not for the applet.
I don't know if you can
we
you
even
figure
know?
it out without it. Well, I don't think we even know how to do that.
I don't think so either. I don't know how to do it.
Somebody does. It's just not important for us, I guess.
Yeah, seriously, right? They gave us the tool. We might as well use it.
Yeah.
He kept using one applet and then I was using the other one.
Yeah, the other one does all the math for you, if you notice. You don't have to worry about adding or subtracting the right and the left sides. But honestly, if you just shade in the middle instead of shading in the 2 sides, I don't understand why he keeps, when he shows his work, why he adds the 2 together to get the middle I can't remember what question that was, like number 8, if you saw the way that he did it on the answer key, he added the two together, and I was like, why don't you just shade in the middle? You get the same answer.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I did the
It's just
math. I
preference.
actually wrote out the math for that
Yeah.
one.
Like through experience, you find all those little shortcuts.
Yeah.
Speaking of number 8, is that where we were, or are we on number 7? I can't remember.
I think we're at number 7.
Yes, number 7 was 95.
Yeah, I got
45.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yeah. Same with number 8.
Yep.
Yeah.
Because that's using that rule.
Mm-hmm.
68,
Right.
95, 99.
See, I never would have caught that. I mean, it may be because of the -1 and -2, but I don't think I would have caught that. I think it's just easier for me to.
No, you do the math just to check yourself.
Yeah,
If
exactly.
anything, you're just checking yourself. All right, number 9.0062.
Yep. Number 10 was easy.
Yes.
Right
Because the
skewed.
sample
So
size
it's
is small and
right
it's right skewed.
Yeah. 11 normal.
Because it's 40.
Yeah,
that
a
is
Larger
big.
than 30.
Right.
larger than 30.
Have to write those notes down. Okay. And 12 was central limits.
Yeah.
That's what I got.
I thought number 13 was funny when he asked why. I'm like, well, I don't know why. It just, I was expecting, well, I thought he was looking for like a realistic answer, with the numbers. Well, this number's smaller, so that way, but no, it's the sample size is too small to compute. It was just like, what? Oh, that's it? Okay.
Well, it's because it's right skewed.
Yeah, I said it's because it's not normal.
Right, it's not normal. I was trying to think way too big.
Oh. That's funny.
Was that all you want? Okay.
Yes, simplify.
I find statistics to be very realistic, so I'm always trying to think realistically when really it's stick to the technological terms that you've learned, and you'll be
think
okay.
you're right. Yeah.
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 All right,
Okay,
14.
0.9599.
This one was hard because I wasn't exactly sure where to shade. But once I found out that I was supposed to shade everything to the right, then it helped me. But I thought, how am I going to know that with taking the test?
Because it says greater than, so
So they
it's
seem bigger.
right. Less than is to the left.
Okay. And this last one is where I had the question where I was like, how do you do this? But then I saw his answer, and then I just kept working it until I got the same answer.
Yeah. That's where you use the z-score formula.
Yeah. And then it comes out with the 37. It just comes out negative, what is it, negative 1.25. And then when you do the 42, it's just the positive 1.25.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
I just shade the middle.
Yeah.
So which applet were you using, Ashley? Are you using the David Lane or the other one?
No, I use the other one. I like the simplicity of it.
I use David.
So what's
Yeah, I
that?
did too, because you can plug in the parameters on that one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I don't understand the David one. I use the simpler one.
I'm always afraid I'm going to put the wrong number in the wrong box. So for me, the less boxes there are, the better.
Yeah.
And I know exactly what goes in those 3 boxes. But whatever works for you, that's
Exactly.
Okay.
Are we ready for the...
Yeah, I'm getting there.
quiz.
Are we doing
Wherever
the
it went.
quiz?
Let's see, where is it? Okay.
Oops.
I gotta get my applet up.
Yeah, me too. Hang on one second. I got to get to the quiz.
I have both the applets up, but I don't know how to use the David Lane one. But I have it up.
Come on.
There we go. Google needs to go away.
So the group. Okay.
All right. Don't need that. Got to organize all of our windows, huh?
Yes, seriously.
While we're preparing, have you guys looked at the exam yet? Or
No.
oh,
Have you looked at it?
there's a lot, but it's pretty interesting how unconfusing it is, if that makes sense.
Yeah, it's
Really?
very well organized.
Yeah, I went through the practice, and there was only two parts that two questions that I really was stumped, couldn't even.
Didn't know where to
Try.
start.
Yeah,
I just skimmed over it while waiting for this to start.
yeah.
I'm really hoping I feel the same way.
Me too.
And you get to have a sheet of notes.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, that will help.
Just one sheet though, right?
Right.
So you need one story problem where you have to find the mean, the mode, the median, the standard deviation, that's all you need.
The whole thing, yeah.
I mean, you really can go from start to finish in one story problem, depending on where you start with it. But
Mm-hmm.
all right.
You guys there?
Okay, wait a
Yes.
minute. It keeps knocking me out. All right, so group 7. We're doing 7, right?
Yep.
Oh, whoops, that's not the right thing. Just a second here. Group meeting. There we go.
Oops, it's not question 1. This is question 3. All right.
Okay, start.
And to the left.
Mm-hmm.
So, left and right.
Okay, he says to round, so we're going to make sure we round on this one.
Yeah, 0.175.
That's what I got.
Okay. Who's using the David for this? I am.
I didn't use the David for that one.
Yeah. I don't even use the other one, so.
Which one do you use?
I use David.
David, yeah.
Wait, what did you get?
0.175.
Oh, because you're rounding it. Okay. Yeah, that's right.
The mean is 185.
Oh, you're on to number 4.
6.
Seven. Random sample, so that's X.
Let's take a note here.
6. The probability. Find the probability. So the mean is 185, right?
Yeah.
Standard
Yeah.
deviation is 26.7.
Yeah.
And then it wants the probability.
Well, you're going to get a different standard deviation.
They-
I wish I could highlight in this thing.
Yeah, I do that in the homework ones.
Yeah, me too.
Or I just rewrite it and I mean equals this, standard deviation is this, n is this.
Because you have to do the standard deviation divided by the square root of the...
Right.
Of the, yeah, n, whatever n is.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm so happy that my cell phone has the square root on it. That's what I use for my calculator.
Let's see, what's the other one? Oh, we're looking at the probability of a random sample. Okay.
So did you get 0.055?
Yeah.
Yep.
I must be missing a step.
What do you have?
Where are you?
I'm not finished yet. I know that's not the answer. I'm like, what's the last step? Because I'm getting a 1.18, so I know I missed a step.
Oh, I didn't get that number.
That's because I know I'm wrong. I believe you guys. Let's see.
I think his number 5 is written wrong. Glancing ahead.
Distribution of a sample mean. Smaller standard deviation.
We will have a smaller standard deviation. He explained that when he was going over this. I can't remember what he said.
Explain what the...
That the answer is the distribution of the sample means.
Yeah, but I think it had more written on it for the video. It had the x equals O over...
Oh, yeah.
It showed the whole thing.
Because I have the whole thing written out.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
So it's probably still that answer. It
Yeah.
just didn't say it all.
It doesn't make as much sense when it's
Just
not
that.
written out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Spooked me.
The spread in X decreases as the sample size increases. That's the law of large numbers,
Right.
isn't it?
Yep, that's the last one.
Scores approximately distributed with a mean.
It's the central limit theorem that deals with accuracy, or is that the law of numbers?
No, that's the law of numbers deals with accuracy, I think.
Okay. Spread. Okay. Because as the difference gets smaller, the sample size increases. Okay.
Oh, I was missing the top part of before number 7. It's like, I can't answer that question.
Okay. Score. Score corresponding to the score.
And a score of 160.
So,
What is the z-score?
so you do 160 minus 50.8?
150.
Or 150, yeah, 150.8.
Yeah. Divided
There's
by...
standard deviation, 8.8.
Yep.
By 8.8 divided by Z-score.
Did you guys get 1.045? Because
Yeah, 1.05. I know what he got, but that's not what I'm getting. Let me try that again.
5.
So the mean is 150.8. So X. So is it supposed to be 150.8 minus 160 or the other way around?
Other way around.
Other way around. Because you start with whatever they have, the sample size in the question, and then you go back to the mean.
Okay.
Still getting 1.05.
Mine's nothing like his was.
Well, you're probably doing it right, so I'm not going to ask you what you're doing wrong. Let's see.
Should we just put 1.045?
He had 0.148.
No, that's number
You're on
8.
a different one.
Oh, we're on
We're on
7.
7.
Oh.
I'm still getting
Okay. All right. Well, I got the right one then.
1.045.
Yeah.
1.045. Yeah.
I just
know, but-
Wait, did you get 5 or did you get 6? Because I got, let's see, let me go back to my math.
I got 4.5. 1.045.
Oh, I actually, yeah. 4 or 5. I did too, because the next thing is a 4.
What is my calculator rounding up or something? Because it weird. That's just what that is weird. It would still be a correct answer if you went to the second decimal. We'll go with 1.045 though.
What is the probability? We'll score above.
Always got to plug that one into the applet.
Yeah, we do.
This one I like using the David for.
Okay,
Yeah,
can
me
you
too.
Can you actually teach me how to use the David one?
Okay, so you
that
put
I know
your
how?
you put your mean in, which is 150.8.
Like 560.
Okay.
Where the SD is, that's standard deviation. So put 8.8,
Okay.
and then you see where it says above with the box.
Yeah.
Put
But
160, there,
160.
and then click the little
0.1479. Oh, sorry.
click the little button.
Now, how did you know to do above?
It asks you above 160 in the prompt.
Oh.
So
Okay.
yeah, if you'd say below, then there's that one, between and outside of. So it
Okay.
gives you all those.
Wow, that was really simple.
Yeah. So 0.148.
8.
Yeah.
Right, when you round up.
Rounding.
Wow, that's awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now number 9, I was kind of confused on. I know how to get the mean, but I don't know why I was so confused. So if anybody could shed some light.
Okay, what is the mean? So I don't have to. We can
Here,
just
I have to recalculate it.
60 plus. Well, those add up nicely.
800 is that divided by 5.
160.
Yeah, 160 is the mean. But then I don't know where to go from there.
Okay. What is the z-score? Sample mean.
Jeff? No.
So the sample mean is 160.
So we have U and we have N.
And the N would be 5
Right.
because there's 5 students.
Okay.
So the population mean is 150.8. Standard deviation is 8.8.
How do you know?
N is
Wait,
5.
what?
But we're number
We're
what?
number
on
9.
Yeah,
Oh,
but
Oh, it's
using-
the same.
Use
Yeah,
this-
use the same information.
I didn't see
Yeah.
that. I knew that. I was just testing you.
So then your Z-score,
Look at you saving the day.
Okay, so 8.8. So
Okay.
is 2.338.
Wait. What did you get?
2.3377. So 2.338.
how did you get that though?
Yeah,
Can you
because
run through real fast?
I got the Z-score, but
Because your population mean is 150.8. Your standard deviation is 8.8. N is 5. And your
Oh.
and
we
your
have to do
sample
the
mean
other-
is 160.
160,
You're doing
so
that.
160 minus 150.8.
You have to find your standard deviation from your square root of n.
Uh-huh.
That's yeah.
So yeah, so you have to change your N to 5.
5.
That's 3.93.
8 divided by square root of 5. 8. Yeah, I don't know where I'm going to use this in life, but
My calculator keeps. It's so funny.
Unless we want to be researchers, then we could probably use it.
I don't know. I enjoy this class because I'm not writing papers or writing on discussion boards or having to write my insights on certain things you read.
ha!
I don't know. For some reason, I'm enjoying just
Got
crunching numbers.
You know what's funny is I absolutely despise math,
Oh,
but I am doing so well in this class, and I understand. It's kind of exciting.
I think it just feels so much more practical. And these story problems are not throwing me off. Usually story problems drive me crazy, but with statistics, I can find the numbers, and I don't know. It's just coming to me a lot easier than.
Yeah, me too. We'll see when it comes time for the test, huh?
I go through my own.
then.
Yeah. My calculator rounded up again to 2.34. Why is it doing that?
You know what? You probably have a setting on your calculator
Yeah, I think I
that
do.
tells it to round up.
Oh, yep, it's right there. I need to go clear that. Like, wait a minute. Because it was giving me the right answers earlier, so I must have just pushed the button sometime when I go off on. Stop rounding.
Greater than the mean achieved by the previous problem.
We're number 10 now, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what is the probability that 5 randomly selected students
Oh, okay.
greater than the mean achieved by the students?
So 0.0097. Wait.
So do we use the applet for that one?
Yep. Yep, we just plug in that z-score we just calculated.
The z-score. So we're doing this one over here. So it would be greater than.
Probability's not very big.
I had something different than him.
I don't know how to use the David for this one. When I get the Z-scores,
Yeah.
I always got to use the other one.
Oh.
Oh, you know why? It's probably because we rounded up. 2 point. Oh, wait. Okay, never mind. I got the right thing. I just put the numbers in wrong.
Well, 11. You all got it? 0.0097?
Yeah. What
Yep.
week was the applet on?
0.0097.
Oh, I don't know. I just saved that page.
Do you need it?
Mm-hmm.
I can copy it into the chat box.
Okay.
What page is it?
There it is. Okay. Thank you.
That's pretty awesome. You can do that.
Yeah.
I like questions like number 11.
Yeah. It's supposed to be hard, and you go, oh, wait, no, that's really easy.
Really easy.
Yeah, so it's approximately normal, right?
Yep.
Yep.
It's a big number.
The sample is large.
The
Larger than 30.
The sample means.
What is it?
Mean of distribution. So. Mean.
Oh, we're looking for the mean.
What is the mean?
Wait, wouldn't it just be
It's the
3.5?
same.
Because that's what it says the mean is.
Yeah.
3.5.
No, what? Say that again? I'm not finding it.
Because it says above question 11, it tells you a little bit of information.
The
And then
mean
it
is
says right there
3.5.
that the mean is 3.5.
And it's normally distributed, so. Wait, but no, it's not. Wait.
No, it's not. It's left skewed.
But the size is 81, so.
So.
Yeah, it's the same.
Yeah.
Trying to trick us.
Yes, indeed.
So it is 3.5. Are we all in agreement with that?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay. That was 3 yeses. All right. Feel better.
Okay.
Is the standard deviation of the sampling.
This is. .078.
Yep, that's what I got too.
I'm not quite there yet. It's still rounding. Golly, I just haven't fixed it yet. Yeah, mine's still rounding to 0.08. What's the real answer? I haven't fixed my calculator yet.
0.078.
78. I really gotta fix that.
Less than 3.3.
Stop rounding.
Ability.
3.5.
Less than, so the mean is 3.5. Standard deviation.
Oh, you're doing it that way. That's probably a lot easier.
What?
Using the David.
Yes.
3.5.
And it has to be less than
Not less than.
3.3. Oh, no, I didn't get that right.
Wait,
So
I don't think...
the mean is 3.5, right?
Yeah.
And the standard deviation is 7.
0.7.
0.7.
Yeah, 0.7. And it has to be below 3.3.
Yeah.
Will be less than 3.3.
What question is that?
So I did not get the right answer.
14. I didn't either.
Well, being 3.3, you know it's going to be really small.
Okay, you have to take
Let
the
me
standard
work.
deviation of the mean.
Of the standard deviation of whatever. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah, the standard deviation of the means. So the 0.7, the 0.0777 blah 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 8. You have to put that in there for the standard deviation.
On the bottom?
Well, just there's the mean of 3.5 and then the standard deviation.
Oh.
Wait,
So
I'm still lost.
We use the new standard deviation that we just made for number 13.
Right.
Yeah, 0.078.
And you plug that in there,
Mm-hmm.
and then you go below 3.3.
On the David.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
And it comes out
I got it.
0.005.
Now.
Yeah.
3.3.
See, how would I figure this out without you guys?
0.005.
I think I feel the same way.
Greater. Okay. So then
Oops. How about if we say the right box?
The probability that the mean for 80
Did you go
will be greater than 3.3.
So then you just do the same thing but opposite, right?
Yeah.
There we go.
So
there we go.
0.995.
Yeah.
And that's number 15.
Yeah.
Because you round up.
See, when you have one of those other apples, you could just, okay, we'll get rid of that one, and we'll shade this one, and...
Or you just subtract 0.05 from 1.
Yeah.
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 You just click a button. Oh, there it goes.
That's probably a lot more simpler.
Depends on where you are in your math.
For number 7, do you guys have 1.045?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
That's what I have, but then he got 1.046. Unless I messed up.
I have written down he got the 5.
Oh,
I do too.
okay. Then I must have.
Yeah, it couldn't have really been any smaller.
Submitting.
Oh yeah, I guess I should submit.
Yay!
Is it right?
Yep.
It's taking forever.
Yay!
Hey, it's the first week I don't have to redo anything.
Same here. Yep, same here.
Yeah, same here.
So you're going to go into the exam feeling good, right?
Yeah,
we do
whatever.
We do get together next Tuesday for the exam review. Is that what I... Yeah.
I think so, because there's no assignment for 8. There's just the review, right?
I'm real excited about that.
That's awesome.
That's quite a bit of work between now and Tuesday. Okay.
So we're good. We can take it off live.
Okay.
Yes.